Hey everyone, welcome back to JMT Ohio Sales. We're going to do a little spin around on these. A little spin around on this Daihatsu. This is a 2015 S510P Daihatsu Hijet. 4-wheel drive, automatic. This is a really, really nice unit. Heavy duty dump. Done all the bed liner on it. We've done an 1 3/4 lift. Extended shocks in the rear. See them blue shocks right there, extended shocks. Camber adjustment lift in the front. Very spacious. It does have aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in the 165/80/13 foursomes. Those are load rated at 1,400 pounds a piece at 65 psi, which is pretty impressive for a tire that size. Like I said, this is the automatic 4-wheel drive. Super nice, clean unit. If you guys need you a Japanese mini truck for your farm, or if you just got property, you got 5 acres or more, one of these will come in handy. You'll never regret getting one. So some special things about this Japanese mini truck that we have is it's got bumper packages on it as well. So you got the front brush guard, and we've also got the rear bumper and hitch. They are powder coated. All the parts that we added with the lift and the bumpers are powder coated. We've added a work light to the back of the cab. It does have a reverse camera. Remote on the steering wheel for the stereo. It does have a double-din stereo in it. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've also added the